Welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you this app that pays you to work. It is not actually SWEATCOIN, as most of you know SWEATCOIN as the app that pays you to work. This is a totally different app. So right here, this is the app. Before I start, I'm going to place a withdrawal on this app right now. And one thing about this app currency is that one of it is cost at $1. One rocks is cost at $1. So before you start this, I'm going to be leaving the link of the 3 apps you're going to be using. So right here is my NC wallet. You withdraw it with your NC wallet, then you convert it to any coin, any crypto coin you want to convert it to. So right here, this is my NC wallet, and you can see the rocks right here. This is rocks. You can see the rocks. Now it's at 0.999 USD, but initially it is at $1. That's $1. It is at $1. So it will still go up. So guys, right here, if you want to withdraw, as far as you have downloaded your NC wallet, you will not be charged a fee, a transaction fee. So guys, first and foremost, I've connected my NC wallet. Just once you download the NC wallet, this app automatically detects it and connects with it automatically. So guys, once you're free, there are 2 users in this app. There are the free users and the premium users. So once you're a free user, this thing right here, you can see my previous earning. This is it. You cannot add it to your rocks balance right here. You cannot add it. So the only thing you can do right here is to, once you are done mine, once you've reached the minimum of 0.1 rocks, you can see right here 0.1 rocks is equal to 0.1 USD. So you just click on get my rocks. So once you transfer it to your NC wallet, you're going to be earning interest on it. So it's still recommended, hold, spend and earn interest on your rocks in NC wallet. So I'll click on to NC wallet. So actually this is it. So this is the first app and this is the second app. Both NZ rocks. So I'm gonna be withdrawing from the second app, okay? Both of them are the same thing, they are from the same company, the same app. So click on get my rocks. Once you click on get my rocks, you can either earn more. When you click on earn more, you continue from where you stopped to mine. So when you click on to NC wallet, click on to NC wallet. When you click on to NC wallet, you enter the Gmail of your NC, the Gmail that you used to sign up on your NC wallet. So I'll click on send rocks. So everything right here is going to be sent to my NC wallet in a second. So I'll create a pin for my transaction, okay? Once I've created this pin to enable me to transfer out my rocks to my NC wallet. Right now I've sent it to my NC wallet, guys. I've sent it. So right now I'm going to start. Now you click on start for free. Every 3 hours, once you started for free, so just wait for 30 seconds, or you can skip the queue by downloading the 3 apps from this company. So this is the 3 apps from this company. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description box. So all you have to do is just wait for 30 seconds for this to load. So guys, right now my mining has started. So let's check our NC wallet for the withdrawal. So this is my NC wallet right here. I'm gonna check it for the withdrawal. This is my recent transaction to my NC wallet. So guys, this is the first app to earn. Once you have clicked on start mining, just leave it and start mining automatically. You can come right here and click on speed up. Once you click on speed up, though, you are offered a lot of plans. These are the subscriptions you are offered. You are offered a lot of subscription. Once you subscribe, it's going to boost your earnings. As you can see, I'm a free user on this app and I've successfully withdrawn. Whether you're a free user or a premium user, you're not exempted from withdrawing in this app. So that every 3 hours you come back and click on earn more. You're going to see a button right here. You're going to see a button, something like get my rocks. So when you click on it, you click on earn more, just like I've done before. The next app is Robux Suites. All these apps are from the same company and they are interconnected. So this Robux Suites, once you are working, I can see just like SWEATCOIN. As you can see, these are my steps right here. And I'm going to continue from where I don't want to withdraw this right now. So I'm going to click on get my rocks, then earn more. Right now it's going to start mining. As you can see, I've started mining right here. I've started mining. Just a moment. Now I've started mining. As you can see, every 3 hours you come back and do the same thing. This energy is gotten from your steps. This energy right there enables you to mine daily. And 129, this over 129 means that each mining consumes 129 steps, and you can as well speed up. When you click on speed up, you get offered the different plans that you can use to earn more on this app. All these apps are interconnected. You can also invite your friends and earn their weekly. You earn at the end of the week. For every rocks they mine, you earn at every end of the week. Coming to this NC wallet, this is NC wallet. So guys, right here, this is my rocks. So guys, one thing is that once you leave your rocks right here, you're going to be earning interest on it. So guys, I advise you to use NC wallet to withdraw. I'll be leaving the link in the description. You can as well invite your friends in this app, in this rocks app, and earn 10% of every crypto transaction they make. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to leave a like and a subscription.